Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50 days SQL challenge. Today it's our day 24 and let's quickly begin. So our first query is about the comparison of current salary, okay, and next salary. Means here we have to check for each employee. Basically we have to look at the next salary based on the date, okay. So for this means we have to find the next salary. It means the next row we have to determine. And to get the data of next row, we use the function called lead window function. Okay, so let's select our required column for that, which is employee ID, salary, salary date. And guys, if you want to join this challenge, if you haven't joined it yet, please subscribe the channel so that you will get notified about the new registration opening date via community post. Okay, as well as you can follow our official WhatsApp channel too. Okay, so now we have to write here about the next column, and next column is next salary, right? And to get this data, which is next salary, we have to apply here lead function. So let's apply lead function on salary column. Okay, as we all know, we have to specify a view. So over this view, we want to apply the lead function, the view that is partitioned by employee ID, and where date is arranged in ascending order. Okay, so right here salary date, this is it. Now this whole thing will come as a next column, which is called next salary, correct? And all these data we will get from our clean salaries table. So now let's run it and check. Okay, the spelling mistakes, salary. Here you can see that this is the salary and this is the next salary. Okay, so if we talk about employee whose ID is 105, their current salary is this and their next salary is this. So from here we can easily compare. If we want to check whether there is a growth or there is a no growth, then we can simply do the subtraction with this salary and next salary, right? So this will be our query as well. So come to our query 2, and this query, in this query we are going to do the analysis of growth. So here it's about growth analysis, means we have to simply compare our current salary with next salary. How can we compare? We simply have to apply the lead function, okay, over the view that we did, and then after that in the next thing we have to do the subtraction, okay, subtraction of this salary, okay, subtraction of this salary and the next salary. If we talk about the employee whose ID is 103, then the 68897 minus 69700. So we can simply see that there is a reduction in their salary. Okay, so there is basically no growth, we can say, correct? So that's how we can do the growth analysis for each one. Okay, so just do this part on your own. We did the similar thing in yesterday's query as well. Only the thing is that here we are going to use lead function. Now, the next is trend prediction. Means we have to compare today's attendance versus next day attendance. So today versus next day. Okay. Now, and this prediction is about the attendance. Okay, so how can we predict our attendance trend? So for that, basically we have to select our columns, usual columns like employee ID, attendance date, and then the status. And then after that, we will have to write a column which is a next status column, right? And to find the next status column, we will simply apply the lead function. All right. So basically we will have 4 columns: employee ID, attendance date, status, and then next status. So by seeing the status and the next status, we can easily predict the trend, correct? So this is it. You have to do it on your own and complete all these 3 queries. If you find any difficulty, guys, do let me know in the comment section. I will help you out, and see you tomorrow with our day 25 with few more queries. So till then, take care, keep practicing. Bye bye.